Hello guys, welcome back. Till the previous session, we discussed about the various abstract methods that we have in a function and the default methods that we have in a function with an examples. And the leftover, the last concept and a small concept that we have is a static method inside this function functional interface. That's an identity method. So what exactly this identity method is? So identity method will always return its input. So whatever the input you are giving to the identity method, the same input it's going to return as an outcome. Okay, that's fine. So what I'm doing means I'm just creating a new functional interface for this function. So here function space and here I'm passing string. So the outcome will always be a string. F is equal to, so what I want to do this time, I want to call a static method. So the static method here is an identity. So this is what the method that we have a call. Okay, this function, we are calling this a static method. And then f dot apply, and I am passing Surendra here. Okay, that's fine. So the outcome of this particular method is always a string. So I'm trying to store it in a string s1 is equal to and system dot out dot println s1. Okay, let me try to run my test script and see this Surendra is getting printed. For suppose the input argument I am passing it as a string and I'm trying to change it to an integer. So the identity is throwing an exception stating that, buddy. So it should be of the same type itself. It shouldn't be of a different data types. Then only this identity is going to work. Fine. This is a simple example on identity, and of course, we are using very less preferences of this identity method in a real world. Cool. That's all I have, guys. See you again with the next topic in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.